Want your iPhone to open your favorite messaging app instead of Apple's Messages app by default? If you're running a recent version of iOS, Apple now lets you choose a different default messaging app. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to change the default messaging app on your iPhone in just a few taps. Let's get started. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, select Default Apps. Inside the Default Apps menu, tap on Messaging. Here you will see all the compatible messaging apps that are installed on your device. Simply tap the messaging app you would like to use as your default. Once selected, your iPhone will use this app for supported messaging actions instead of Apple's Messages app. What if you don't see the messaging option? If you don't see the messaging setting, there are a few possible reasons. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS that supports default messaging apps. Second, ensure you have compatible third-party messaging app installed. Finally, keep in mind that only apps that support Apple's default app feature will appear in this list. If your preferred app isn't shown, it doesn't currently support becoming the default messaging app. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can change the default messaging app on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to iOS Hacker for more iPhone tips and tutorials, and hit notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching.